Instructions for installation of eViva wall or ceiling system. Make sure you have disconnected the mains before you begin installation. The packaging consists of a cardboard or plastic tube. Carefully slide the contents out and rest them on a work surface. Remove all the components from their individual packaging, taking care not to damage them with the cutter or scissor blades. Place all the components on the workbench. Make up the system by joining the tubes via the coupling elements or bends, ensuring that you align the tube holes before fixing the grub screws. Calculate the position of the supports and using a pencil mark the bracket fastening screw application points on the ceiling or wall. Pre-drill the ceiling or wall if necessary, applying suitable screw anchors. Tighten the bush on the support and check that the fitting positions are correct. Join the two ceiling fixing components on the tube without securing them and tighten the spacer. The light sources can now be fitted. Unscrew the two fastening screws on the light source. Do not tug the plexiglass component as this will pull the wire inside. The tube is drilled every 15 centimeters. Identify the hole for positioning the light source by slowly sliding the support along the tube until the plastic pin engages perfectly in the hole. Couple the plexiglass support with the metal support and fasten the two screws. Tighten the central plastic screw only once you have anchored the light source to the tube. The plastic screw is connected to a metal pin which contacts the central wire. Repeat for all the light sources. The tube can now be fixed to the wall or ceiling, inserting the pin into the supports already installed and tightening the lateral grub screw of the wall support. After correctly aligning the system, tighten the grub screws of the supports on the tube. Now that the system is assembled and positioned, complete the electrical connection if the power supply is exposed. Open the power supply cover box. Remove the terminal covers, unscrew the power supply fastening screws and take the power supply out. Using a pencil, mark the bracket fastening screw application points on the ceiling. Pre-drill the ceiling if necessary, applying screw anchors suitable for the type of ceiling or wall. Run the power supply wires through the hole provided and fasten the bracket with suitable screws. Insert the earth wire into the bracket marked with the earth symbol, securing the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the power supply wires to the power supply on the side marked 230 volts as specified in the label. Reposition the power supply, fastening it with suitable screws. Now connect the system to the transformer, running the wires through the holes protected by the plastic insulators. Insert the wires in the terminals on the side marked 24 volts DC, observing the polarity. Close the power supply terminals, positioning the plastic covers previously removed and fastening them with the screws. Make sure you position the wires correctly so they are not pinched when you close the covers. Arrange the wires so that they do not hinder fitting of the metal box. Fasten the screws to secure the box. You can now reconnect the mains, switch on and enjoy the magic of this light.